Hello everyone, I am Ritika Ji, and today I am presenting my Hit Me game, a modern remake of a classic arcade brick baker game. The goal of this project was not only to recreate the classic gameplay, but also to learn and apply key game development concepts such as 2D physics, player movement, input handling, collision detection, audio integration, rehab usage, scene management, user experience design. Throughout the development process, I gained hands on experience with Unity 2019, which is still widely used in many college labs and game studios for 2D games. Game explanation. As you can see in the gameplay, the paddle moves left and right using the arrow keys. The movement is smooth, fluid, and responsive, which helps the player control the ball accurately. The ball bounces off surface using Unity's physics engine. When the ball hits a brick, the brick breaks and disappears with a sound effect. The score increases based on the brick hits. If the player misses the ball, the game resets or ends depending on the game mode. The entire game is designed to give a fast paced, enjoyable arcade experience. Next is technical breakdown of the key features. Uh, First one is a paddle movement system implemented using a transform movement instead of physics forces. Used input.get access or input.get key functions to capture the player input. Used a mathf.clamp function to ensure the paddle stays inside the screen boundaries. Rigid body 2D is set to gravity scale is equal to 0. Freeze Y position, freeze rotation. This makes the paddle stable and avoids unwanted movement. Ball physics system. The ball uses a dynamic rigid body 2D with resolution, bounce physics material, no gravity, constant speed. Added random direction at the start to avoid repetitive gameplay. Brick using system using perhaps each brick is perhaps so it can be duplicatedly easily. It can own collider. It plays a sound on hit. It can trigger score updates. The bricker layout is created by arranging perhaps in rows. Audio system. A paddle hit sound, brick break sound. Background music also we have added. Using audio source and audio clip, I attach sounds to major gameplay events to improve for the player. UI systems score text level complete message, game over message created using Unity Canvas plus Text Mesh Pro. Next one is design choices, deep and meaningful. Under that, the first one is smooth controls. I avoided physics forces for paddle movement because those causes slipping, delayed movement, inconsistent response. Direct transform transition gives instant left right movement, perfect stopping, full control for the player, clean and visual style. Under the clean and visual style, the background is minimalistic to keep the players focused on ball, paddle bricks, bright colors for the bricks for differentiative levels and difficulty. Sound effects. Under the sound effects, sound makes the game feel alive. I selected soft click sound for a brick break, solid impact sound for a paddle hits. This helps the players react better and stay engaged. Next one is challenges faced. Challenge one, paddle falling down. The first challenge faced was a paddle falling down. Unity adds gravity to every rigid body 2D by default. My paddle kept falling off the screen. Solution set gravity scale to 0, freeze Y position. And the challenge 2 I faced was ball getting stuck in corners. Sometimes the ball bounced in the straight line forever, and the solution I found was added a small random velocity on each bounce, adjusted physics material friction, and bounce raise. The challenge 3 was bricks not detecting collision. Bricks sometimes did not register hits, and the solution was fixed incorrect collider sizes. And the next challenge was keeping movement smooth across all devices. Some devices had a lag or inconsistent paddle speed, and the solution I found was used delta time for frame independent movement, improved movement logic. And the possible improvements. To show the strong thinking, add multiple levels, add power-ups, bigger paddle, multi-ball laser, add practical effects, add pause menu and settings, add mobile touch controls, add difficulty selections. Next is the conclusion. In conclusion, Hit Me is a fully functional 2D arcade game created in Unity. Through this project, I learned essential concepts such as movement system, physics, perhaps UI creation, collision detection, and audio design. The project gave me real experience in problem solving, game design, level development, debugging physics issues, creating a fun user experience. This is the gameplay which I have developed using a 2D physics where it shows the start button and the end and the instruction and the options. When we press the start button, the screen opens, and then we can see the ball hitting the game. So there are three levels where we complete all the bricks. It goes to the next level, and the score is getting calculated, and the level is also showing here, and the lives, we have also included the lives, like if we end the game for 3 matches, so that's all, we can't go for the next level. Here we are representing level, and this is the score, and you can also listen the audio, and here it shows the game over again. If we want to start the game, we can press the go again button, and if we want to quit, we can select the quit options. Thank you.